Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested in any of those kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click that bell to be notified every time I make a video. So guys, in this video you see the title, it's an April Fool's kind of video. I did film this video on April Fool's Day, but this intro has been done like days after because I kind of forgot to do the intro and the outro. So yeah, anyways, without further ado, let previous or past Shakay do the explaining of this video. So let us get into it. Morning guys, so I have to kind of take time on talk because I don't want my sister to hear me. But hey guys, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Don't mind my hair. So today is April 1st and I want to do like a, what do you call it, like a prank day. Since it's April Fool's, I want to kind of do some pranks and whatever, but I'm not good at pranks, so let's see how today goes. I don't have like, I have like about 2 or 3 little something foolishness just to do for my mother and my sister. So my dad is not here, so we're gonna do that. So yeah, let us get into this video because I'm not even sure what's gonna happen in this video, so let's get to it. Alright, so hi everyone, this is Miss Bailey, it's my mom. So we're going to be doing a little challenge, right? It's called Don't Speak Into the Mic Challenge. So basically I'm going to be talking, I'm going to be asking some questions and you're going to try not to speak into the mic. Understand? Understand?
Yeah.
She's smart. Let's see if Shadik is smart. But anyways, let's see if she gets the rest of it. Anyways, alright, so the other question, I want to ask you some other questions, alright? So, I want to see if you're smart. So I want to see if you're smart.
I'm not very smart.
She's smart and people with like very smart. Alright, so the question is, if Jamaica gained independence in 1962 and this year is 2020, in what year did Jamaica gain independence?
1962.
She's too smart. Alright, let's see if she's smart. You are going to try and poke your head through this without breaking it, without tearing it.
That can't be done.
It can.
It can.
It can. Poke your head through that. No. 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 Take it up.
Not smart enough.
You're not smart enough?
No.
Poke your head. Alright. It was kind of supposed to be an April Fool's kind of prank and, you know, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
But I know for prank people, so, you know, but I know for prank people, so this is the best I could have thought of. So, thank you. Mwah. Love you. Let me see if Shani's smart. Hi guys, so we have sister here now, so we're going to ask her the questions. So, would you please be quiet? The first thing that we're going to be doing is don't talk into the mic challenge. So basically, here are the instructions. I'm going to be giving you some questions and you're going to try your best to not speak into the mic. Get it?
Where am I there?
You just laughed.
Oh.
It's supposed to be a trick. Anyways, now to the other questions, right? Alright, so the first question is, if Jamaica gained its independence 1962 and this is year 2020, in what year did Jamaica gain independence?
No, 1962.
She's smart. Alright, so we got to ask mommy them here. Next one, if you dig a 6-foot hole, how deep is that hole?
6 foot.
I'm so smart. Last one, what has a bottom at the top? Nah, get that one, yeah.
There's a bottom at the top.
Nah, get it.
bottom at the top. What?
What has a bottom at the top?
I don't know.
You give up?
That's not the thing.
Yes, it is. You give up?
Yes.
Foot.
Hey!
Alright, now the next one is you're gonna try and poke your head through this without bursting my paper.
Idiot, that can't work.
Try.
My head?
Yes.
My head can't go through here.
Try.
Feel what? It can't go through. Me not gonna turn like idiot. My head bigger than this wall. Goodbye.
That's just so wrong. Let me show you how you do it. You poked your head through. Happy April Fools!
I mean, that's it.
Yeah.
Kiss me teeth.
I don't know how to do pranks, so I have to do what I can do, and this is what I can do. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed. As I said, I'm not really a prank person because I don't watch pranks that much, and I just don't, I'm not a prankster at all. So I decided to do mostly like trick questions and just like trying to trick them into doing, just something that would kind of bring a little laugh. So I hope you guys did enjoy. Go ahead and like this video, share this video, comment on this video, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I make a video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.